In this video, let's review the differences between the cleaning cycle and the descale cycle on your Barista Express or Infuser. Your unit has two types of maintenance cycles, the cleaning cycle and the descale cycle. The cleaning cycle is an essential maintenance step to keep your group head clean. The cleaning cycle is run using a cleaning tablet, which removes and prevents buildup of coffee oils and residues. The cleaning light on your unit will indicate a need for a cleaning cycle. Check the indicated cleaning light on your unit. If your cleaning light has both the words clean and descale, a need for a cleaning cycle will be indicated when the light is flashing. If your cleaning light has the words clean me, a need for a cleaning cycle will be indicated when the light is illuminated. For best maintenance, we recommend running a cleaning cycle regularly every 4 to 8 weeks, as the frequency of the cleaning light may vary depending on usage. The descale cycle is an essential maintenance step to clean the internal components of your unit. This cycle is run using commercial descaler, which removes and prevents scale and mineral buildup within your unit. Using the appropriate cleaning solution for each cycle is important in keeping your unit clean and operating smoothly. Check the indicated cleaning light on your unit. If your cleaning light has both the words clean and descale, a need for a descale cycle will be indicated when the light is illuminated solid. Units that have the words clean me do not have a descale indicator. For best maintenance, we recommend running a descale cycle regularly every 4 to 8 weeks. To view our videos on how to run each cycle, click on the link in the top right corner.